Hey guys, welcome back to Food with Us. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken burrito. So as you can see, we have all these ingredients here. I did put my chicken in the Instapot ahead of time with some chicken stock and water, and I pressure cooked it for 25 minutes. All right guys, enjoy. All right, guys, now we're going to add our olive oil, and then we're going to add in 1 cup of green peppers and 1 cup of red onions. And then we're going to stir that around and wait for it to cook, which is about 5 minutes. Now we're going to be adding our shredded chicken to the pot. Then we're going to mix it in. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of adobo, a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and squeeze 1 lime wedge in. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and a pinch of cilantro. Now we mix everything together. Now we pour in 1 teaspoon of olive oil on top and mix. Cook for 5 minutes more. While my chicken is cooking, I heated up my tortilla in a pan. Okay, so now we're going to fill up our burrito. First, we're going to start with our chicken. And then we're going to add some Queso Blanco, white cheese. And now we're going to add Mexican style 4-cheese blend. Next is our Picadillo, which I will have a video showing how to make this. And then we're going to add our sour cream. Now we're going to add our chopped lettuce. And now we're going to squeeze 1 lime wedge into our burrito. Now it's time to close it up, guys, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.